Breaking the Wall of Water Leakages. Adivhaho, Mphaphuli, Falling Walls Lab, Johannesburg.
$1.1 million liters. That is the amount of water that is lost through leakages every year in South Africa, every year. According to the Department of Water and Sanitation, South Africa loses over 4.2 billion rands due to water leakages. Water leakages have been a major issue in so many regions, yet these issues have not been tackled in an efficient and effective manner. There are so many communities that still suffer the consequences of water scarcity due to water leakages. In the water sector, we always talk about the 1% of fresh water that is accessible and that needs to be sustained. But what if we look deeper into the issues that are mostly overlooked, such as water leakages? I think it is really important to understand that even the smallest amount of water can make a huge difference in limiting water scarcity, as well as making effective decisions in the water sector in order to mitigate environmental factors, infrastructural factors, and also economical factors. The fourth industrial revolution has brought ways to mitigate these issues in an efficient and effective manner. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you an effective Internet of Things system that will help detect water leakages, the wireless sensor network. The wireless sensor network consists of a wireless sensor node that is installed closer to the pipe, as you can see the green object there. The wireless sensor network consists of a wireless sensor node which contains a microprocessor, a transceiver, a sensor, and also a power management module. All these functions work together to send signals to the IoT gateway. The IoT gateway basically interprets the information from the wireless sensor node and analyzes and sends the information to the cloud storage. In case a leakage occurs, this system is able to detect what the parameters, which is the flow rate, the temperature, acceleration, sound. And it then sends the signals to the IoT gateway, which then sends the signals to the cloud storage in real time. Once it has sent the information to the cloud storage, the observer then obtains this information in real time and then make it aware to the stakeholders, the people who are working in the civil engineering industry or infrastructural industry, and then they are able to know which water leakages have occurred in the system. Ladies and gentlemen, this system is 95% accurate, robust, cost-efficient, cost-effective, and will thus help companies, stakeholders, governments, and also water boards to solve water scarcity in communities. Thank you so much.